everyone, my name is Sajan. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today I made a video on how you can make your own clip-ins at home. If you're interested in making your own clip-ins extensions, please keep on watching this video. I put the clip-ins in my hair and I did a high top bun. If you're interested in learning how to do that, let me know. I'll make a video on it. I also showed you guys how to make your own tinsel clip-ins as well, so you'll see both how to make your own clip-ins using hair extensions, and also how to make your own tinsel clip-ins as well. You can see the tinsel in my bun. Really easy to do the high tie bun. I can make a video on that separately. Let me know, comment down below. So this is how my hair is looking. I also sprayed some glitter in my hair. I used the Ava NYC. You can see the glitter on my hair. I love this stuff, it's so pretty. So yeah, if you're interested in learning how to make your own clip-ins at home, please keep on watching. Alright you guys, so this is the hair that I got from Sally's Beauty. It is a blend, a human hair and synthetic blend. Alright, so right here you see me about to cut the hair and double the wefts together. You can make it as long as you want or as short as you want. When I do clip-ins, I like to make it a little bit shorter. It kind of makes the install process easier for me. Alright, so here's my black weaving thread. You can get it from Sally's Beauty as well, or any beauty supply store. So I just cut the weaving thread in half and I begin to loop the weaving thread through the needle and tie the ends of the thread into a knot. So I'm taking the wig clip and making sure that the right side is up. Make sure that the teeth is facing up. Then you're going to put it as close to the weft as possible. So here I'm beginning to do the sewing process, and I take my needle and thread. There's a small hole on the wig clip and I begin to push the needle through that hole, and I begin to sew the wig clip on my weft. Make sure that you are sewing through the teeth of the wig clip. So you want to make sure that is secure onto the weft as possible by gently pulling the thread up and just taking your time and sewing the hair onto the weft. We are done. Make a knot at the end and secure it as tight as possible. You're just gonna cut that piece of thread right off. I do recommend that if you are going to use glue to secure the wefts together, to make sure that you use the glue before you add the wig clips on. The reason why I did not do that was because I was in a rush to make these clip-ins. I had an event to go to. So normally I will add the glue beforehand, but I was in a rush to make these clip-ins. And also I recommend to allow the glue to air dry for maybe like at least like 15-20 minutes, and then sew on the wig clip onto the wefts. But like I said, I was in a rush to make these clip-ins, and yeah, it still turned out perfectly. So I'm just sewing on my second wig clip onto the end of the weft. All right, so here is how the clip-ins are supposed to look. I'm all done with this one. And just repeat. So right here, I demonstrated and show you guys how I added the glue onto the weft before I sewed the wig clips onto the weft. And just make sure to press down lightly and secure the wefts together. Allow the wefts to air dry for at least 15 to 20 minutes, and then begin to sew the wig clips onto the weft. Like I said, the glue is optional. You don't have to use craft glue to secure it together, but I just recommend doing that to make sure it's really secure. And just repeat the same steps. Make sure that you sew the wig clips through the teeth of the wig clips. Here are the hair tinsels that I'm using. I'm using black hair tinsels. So I'm just going to show you guys how I sew on the hair tinsels to the wig clips, and it's pretty much similar to how you sew on the hair extensions onto the wig clips. So the gold twist tie that is on the tinsel, you want to leave that on. It helps the process much easier when you sew on the wig clip, when you sew on the tinsel onto the wig clip, sorry. And I just cut the ends of it. Then you just start to securely sew the tinsels onto the wig clip, holding firmly onto the tinsels while you are sewing it and making sure that you pull the needle through the teeth of the wig clips, and it's pretty much the same process like as you were sewing your hair extensions onto the wig clip. And that is how it should look, very secure. And you can see I'm pulling it to make sure that it's secure. And that is how you make clip-ins, you guys. If you guys would like a hair tutorial on how I did this blonde using my clip-ins, please comment down below or give this video a thumbs up. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.